are you going to show how you might pot it up? Or?
So sections like that, they're brilliant pieces to propagate with because you've got shoots, you've got a good amount of rhizome, which means the plant has got a good food reservoir, and you've got good, healthy, active roots. So taking our tub again, something that size, I would put 2 like that in it, and that would be good for 12 months. And then you could break it up, divide it, harvest, use some for cooking or medicine, and off you go again.
So do you take the soil over the rhizomes?
I would just have the soil just over the top. You don't have to bury it very deeply.
Okay.
These rhizomes usually grow in that first 10 centimetres of soil. Well, these are interesting because they're actually growing down rather than across, which is quite unusual. Ginger, which this plant is related to, their rhizomes grow very horizontal.
Yes, yes. Okay, so in the next section, well, I'm going to tell you a bit about how I use this for my patients in the clinic and some really simple ways that you can use it at home. It's one of the top herbs that it's really important to have in your home dispensary. It's really simple, but there are some contraindications for use.
So we need to look out for that and let you know so you can use it safely and wisely.
Yeah, I mean, I use it for patients because of its powerful anti-inflammatory effects, but also a lot of people don't realise, but it's a wonderful liver herb. And I also use it in some women's health situations as well.
Right.
So there's lots of, you know, when there's stagnation. So it's a good clearing herb. Okay. So we'll see you in the next section where we take a bit of a deeper dive. And we'll also tell you about why it's so important that you learn how to do this for yourself. Our whole life, we love to teach people how to grow, make and use their own herbs. And if you can't grow it, we like to tell you how to source it as well. Because when you have that, you have freedom, you have independence.
Exactly. It's empowering.
Yeah. And our aim is to make you feel as confident as possible in doing this, because we've got so many years of experience, we don't want to die with it in us.
Yeah.